Welcome back. Today we are making a loaded nachos mountain. It's perfect for your next game day party. Here are our delicious ingredients. Let's start by washing our hands. Start by creating a base layer of nachos. Add chopped onions, tomatoes, and jalapenos. Now add lots of cheese. Add more toppings and extra cheese on top. Heat until the cheese melts perfectly. Look at that melted, cheesy goodness. This is absolutely irresistible. Repeat the layers to build a nachos mountain. Drizzle your favorite sauces on top.
Add some fresh garnish for extra flavor.
Your loaded nachos mountain is ready. Enjoy!